Hi everyone, we're live on Facebook and on Instagram. I hope you guys are having an incredible Monday. I wanted to share with you what's inside of these fun little boxes. I know we just showed them to you, but do you want to know what's inside them? You can't respond to me, but I'm going to assume you said yes. These are actually our take and make art activity kits. This is why I have my nice little apron on, my Scottsdale Artists School apron on. I'm ready to do some arts and crafts. These are basically what they're called. You can take these and make art at home. It's incredible because you can actually purchase these in the school. You can purchase them online, and if you don't feel comfortable coming into the school, you can actually give us a call and we'll run these out to you, curbside delivery. If you guys are looking for some activities to do with your family, they're for all ages. Obviously great for kids, but hey, like if you're looking for something to do you, come get it, bring it home and do some art at home. I'm actually going to show you a little bit about what's inside of these boxes so you can get a better idea. So this one is actually, you can basically create your own treasure map, and they come with obviously all the instructions you need. They come with professional materials. You've got pencils, professional pencils. You got a professional drawing pad, some information about the school, directions on how to do this activity. Obviously stunning. How beautiful is this? So fun. This one's actually for 9 years and up. So if you have some older kids in your house looking for some stuff to do. This one is actually designed by Devin Meyer. You can see here by Devin Meyer. She is one of the instructors here at the school. I actually want to tell you guys a little bit about Devin. She's an incredible instructor here at SAS. At SAS, she does an amazing job of teaching our youth and outreach programs the fundamentals of fine arts. Devin is constantly inspired by nature and loves to use vibrant colors seen in plants, birds, and flowers. She's currently teaching several online classes for youth that you can sign up for on scottsdaleartschool.org. Like we said, I know a lot of people aren't comfortable coming in person here at the school, but we want to be able to create activities that you can do in your home, classes that you can enroll your kids in online to keep them immersed in art, okay? And if you want to learn a little bit more about Devin, and you also want to hear why she's so passionate about the youth program and our youth and outreach program, go ahead and head over to our Facebook page or our Instagram page. You're going to see a video where you can get to know Devin and hear a little bit more about our youth and outreach program, and I will see you guys a little bit later.